looks like that this morning, and I was like, uy, Dior! Dior! Padungdungog naman to guys, pero di tininuot din. Maayo yun yung padungdungog.
Hi guys, good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. So today is Wednesday and I finished work guys. I'm currently in South Melbourne to do my nails. So have a look at my nails current situation guys. It's freaking horrendous now. So I've done this one in the city on my birthday guys, so approximately just over 2 weeks ago I've done this, and have a look what's happening now. Yeah, I don't think the place that I went to done it very well guys. So that's why I'm here now in South Melbourne to the place that I normally go, because they're the expert, they are the best when it comes to SNS guys. So that's why I'm here now in the car. I just parked and I'm just gonna go to the salon now guys, and I'll take you with me. So the parking is up to 2 hours only guys, so I'm gonna pay using this space there guys. So it's an app on the phone that you can use. You get all your details in there, and yes, I'm just gonna pay using that because I don't have any coins, and I also don't have my card. So yeah, here's the place guys, York Nails and Beauty. This is the result. Have a look. Ooh, how's that color? That looks so bright guys. So yeah guys, this is my nail color. It's so cute. So I'm actually walking back to my car now guys. I'm going home now. It is nearly, I don't know, nearly 6 o'clock I think. But yeah, I'm just walking towards my car now so I can go home. And here's my dirty car. So guys, do you know why I chose this color? Because I have been really I've been having, you know, pink and blue and gray. So I thought guys, I'm gonna try something new. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna try something new because, you know, well, it is summer now and I want something bright, and you know, I want to change. So there you go. What do you think of this color guys? Is it like too bright for you? I thought it's too bright, but you know, this is what I wanted, you know what I mean? Like I want to change, then I got it. So yep, I'm home now guys. The door is opening. I can't wait to see Paris. If she's not sleeping, she'll be at that door now waiting for me, but she's not there. Maybe she's having a nap. So here's Paris guys. She actually just woke up. Yeah, what's that? She just woke up, that's why she wasn't waiting for Mama at the front door. Yes? Baby. Hello. Hello, my princess. What would you like? A didi. Where's the didi? Where's Mama's didi? Miss Paris. She just had her DD. And guys, today is the 4th of December and it's Mimi's birthday. Yay! She's now 30, guys. No, she just turned 21 today, guys. Yay, that's a big milestone. 21, you're now an adult. But we're here now, guys, because have a look. So we're gonna show you what we got for Mimi's birthday, me and Daddy. So yeah, she's gonna show us what she's got. So, yep. So how's your birthday?
It's fantastic.
Fantastic.
It's full of surprise.
Full of surprises because this morning, guys, I left because obviously I start work early, so I left really early this morning. So my gift, I just left it on the kitchen bench, guys. So in the morning when she gets up and comes down, then she'll be surprised because I didn't tell her that I got gifts for her, guys. So yeah, we love surprises. So look, you love her, guys. But first thing first, ako sa first, show them what I got you.
A box of chocolate.
Yes. Box of chocolate.
My favorite.
Daghan pa siya, guys. Oh, Sharon, di pa siya makabuk, ano, guys. Milk, white, and dark chocolate.
Yeah. Next,
Next one.
perfume from Katy Perry.
Okay. There you go. So that's the second one. And then
Third one.
I saw it at the shop, guys, and because her name starts with letter L, I got that for her.
So cute. Gonna
There you
be
go.
this.
So when she goes home to the Philippines, guys, and she has, you know, like coffee in the morning, and then she's gonna use that mug and remember me this way.
Always remember you. And letter.
Yeah, and the letter, guys.
Kung yung pinakakuan ka lang, guys. Hindi ko ni wala. Hindi na lang, basahan na kayo. Maghilak mo, apil.
Oh, basahan mo, Karen. Let them hear what I said to you.
Okay.
Ay, gila ka. Tarong na.
Happy 21st birthday. Hope you have a lovely day and all your dreams come true. As this birthday wish is sending every happiness to you. There is no better sister than I could dream of. You are my best friend and partner in crime. Life would be dull without you. You are the loveliest woman with the kindest heart. I mean it when I say that you deserve all the best that the world has to offer. I hope your birthday is as special as you are. I love you, Mingay. Ate is always here for you. From your most beautiful Ate, Joe.
Yeah, so true. Ito pa naka-last week.
Thank you, Te.
You're welcome.
Pag daw pa yun ako, ganina ba ako? Wala. Gift galing ni Kuya Bakit. Narabis, ingan. Paglanta ko. Ay! Alam mo na yun. Alam mo siya ganina bunta, guys. It looks like that this morning. And I was like, uy, Dior! Dior! Padungog-dungog naman to, guys. Pero tininokotin. Maayo yun yung padungog-dungog, guys. Mutalab yun na siya.
Depende yapon sa mood.
Yeah, nag-unbox din ko ganina, guys. I posted on Facebook. And it looks like this inside. It looks very nice.
Yeah.
Back!
So she's been
She's
talking about it for so long, guys, and then she said like, can you get it for my birthday? And I said no, No, I just kept saying no because obviously I intended it to be a surprise for her. So yeah, I think she was surprised because she wasn't expecting it. Yeah.
Very surprised.
Yeah.
Thank
That's
you.
good.
Thank
You're
you
welcome.
for everything.
And then while I was at work, guys, they went out to High Point Shopping
See, I
Center.
told you today is full of surprises because Kuya surprises.
Yeah, so Daddy took Mimi and Paris
He was just
to
like,
High Point.
get everything you want. I'll pay for it.
Yeah, let us
Again,
that. No, why doesn't he tell me things like that? Like get everything you want and I'll pay for it. I'm gonna ask him
Kasi
later,
nga,
guys.
nasa ka magpaingon. Yun din siya. But, there's limit.
But yeah, I'm showing them what Daddy get for you.
Next,
Yeah. Where did you get it?
we went
from?
to JD. King of Trainers.
Yeah.
JD.
So Dada got her. Show them my shoes.
New shoes.
Yeah, siya nagpili, guys. Actually, she sent me some photos when I was at work, like asking which one should she take, but I said it's yours, so you should, you know, decide for yourself.
Dili siya common.
Yeah, try it on. What size? Is that the same size with mine? Size 6?
No, it's 5. Because the design, if it's bigger,
Ah, okay.
doesn't look good in your feet. Kita?
Me? What's a good cut? Yeah, it looks very nice.
Diba? Anak rin si Kuya. Kaya rin mo gusto? Apa yan? Siya na limit. Limit na lang. Yes, but thank you Kuya Mike for this.
Yeah, but
Sana everyday
Yes.
birthday, guys.
well, yeah, but I hope you enjoyed your birthday. So, guys, we don't have any food preparation today, guys, because if you watch our previous video, we actually celebrated on the weekend, guys. So, guys, actually, we forgot to mention that apart from all those gifts that I got for her, I actually gave this to her, guys. Show. So this is my old iPhone 6 Plus.
7 plus?
7 Plus, sorry, no good. So that's my iPhone 7 Plus, guys. So I upgraded to 8 Plus and iya kong kuan guys, tawag gani? Gibaharan, guys. Gibaharan.
Yung baharan, ngunit niya yata, guys.
No. That's why I gave it to her, guys. So yeah, that's what she's using right now, and I think she's liking it. So I hope that, you know, she's very happy with what she got.
Yeah.
So guys, that's it for today's video. Oh, actually, before I close this vlog, guys, I'm gonna show you my outfit for today. So I haven't really changed my clothes yet, guys, because I just fed Paris, and so here's a green long sleeve blouse, and then the black pants, guys, and then where was the shoes? Paris was actually trying to wear my shoes before. Whoop. And this is the shoes that I wore. So yeah, guys, that's about it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and also, guys, please hit the subscribe button, guys. We're nearly 1K now, guys, so it will be really exciting, guys, when we reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm very excited for it. But yeah, that's it until next year, next birthday. So yeah, guys, also please hit that, you know, like button, guys. I would appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.
Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye na.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say bye, guys. Bye.